Hi guys, my name is Mukund Goel and I am working as a director at Serveshwari Technologies Limited. At Serveshwari, we provide a complete range of garage equipment. Our product range include wheel service equipment and workshop equipment. Under wheel service equipment, we provide machines such as wheel alignment machine, wheel balancing machine, tire changing machines, tire repair tools, tire service tools. And under workshop equipment, we provide machines like gearbox trolleys, engine crane, jib crane, roller brake tester, and much more. At Serveshwari, we just don't provide products, but we give complete solution to our customers. We have our manufacturing facilities in Haryana, and our own R&D team helps us to customize products according to our customer needs. Currently, we are manufacturing more than 500 products in our facilities. Following our customer demand, we developed a new machine, that is DPF Cleaning Machine. Now this machine we developed because our customer demanded that we need a 100% made in India machine. That is not only economical but also highly customizable. Now this machine is a game changer for fleet workshop owners, diesel service centers, automobile workshops, as it has many benefits. First of all, the workshop owners can get more revenue by cleaning the DPFs, and the owners of the trucks and the cars can get DPF cleaned at a very nominal cost, and they don't need to replace the DPF as the DPF is a very costly item. So let's walk around our machine DPF Reborn. The body of our DPF cleaning machine is completely made of stainless steel, which ensures there is no rust ever and also ensures long life of the structure. Our machine has filtration system which ensures that we can reuse the water to clean more DPFs. The machine has 150 liters of internal tank, which ensures that we can clean more than 20 DPFs with the same water. The machine has exhaust fan, which ensures there is no fog inside the machine when we are drying the DPF. Now we have created the design of the DPF cleaning machine very simple to ensure operator comfort while operating the machine. We have given magnetic lock wherein we just need to push the button and we can open the door. There is no need to manually close and open the door. We have given pneumatic sealing system in the machine, which ensures there is less operator time to seal the DPF. This ensures that we are cleaning more number of DPFs in less time. We have a very intelligent and intuitive touchscreen given in this machine. Here we can customize our wash settings, how much temperature we want to set when we are cleaning the DPF, what temperature we want to set when we are drying the DPF, and what number of purges we have to give. We can customize this completely and we can save our wash settings according to different type of DPFs. We can save up to 1000 wash settings in this machine. Also, we have given a completely customizable print settings of the DPF, which we can provide to the customer before and after cleaning of the DPF. Now, let's talk about the operating principle of the machine. This machine uses hydro-pneumatic pulses to clean the DPF. These pulses ensure that each and every cell of the DPF gets cleaned. Also, this is a universal machine where we can clean any type of DPF, whether it is for cars, trucks, buses. So it's a universal machine and very versatile machine. Now we will go through the cleaning process in our DPF cleaning machine. The first step is that we will load the DPF onto the machine. Now we will pneumatically seal the DPF by pressing this button, cover down. We will now connect the red hose onto the DPF to check the differential pressure. We will now close the door and press on test. After pressing on test, we automatically get a print wherein we can check the differential pressure before starting the cleaning process. Now we will open the door and we have to change the hose from drying hose to cleaning hose. We have to select now our wash settings. And then we have to press on clean cycle. And then we have to press cleaning start. After our cleaning process is completed, we will again change the hose from cleaning hose to drying hose. Once we have connected the drying hose, we will click on dry. This will start the drying process. Once the DPF is fully dried, we can again check the differential pressure by clicking on test button. And after cleaning, we can again show the customer what is the differential pressure. As demonstrated, our machine DPF Reborn is a highly versatile, efficient, easy to operate and a highly customizable machine. Now this machine will ensure a very early return on investment, happy customers with repeat customers. Don't wait, contact us now to know more about the machine and our full range of DPF cleaning machines. Thank you.